What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and today is all about Windows character limitation. So let's get right into it. All right, so today is all about Windows character limitation. I did a video many moons ago of surpassing the character limitation within Windows. The limitation or the cap is 260 characters, right? There's a registry that I showed you guys again many moons ago. I did a video. I showed you guys what registry you needed to do to surpass that 260. I want to revisit again 2025, and we're going to be going into 2026 pretty soon. It surpasses the character limitation, right? It goes over 260, but there's actually a cap, like a hard stop, and it causes a lot of problems. And within the demo, at the very end, hopefully you guys stay tuned, at the very end, you're going to see that I'm able to surpass 270. And as soon as I get to 280, it does create the folder for me, but you can't delete the file. I'm going to show you guys what I did to show you this year the Windows character limitation. So on my Windows 10 machine, yes, I am still using Windows 10, and you are able to do it within Windows 11 as well. So I actually created a PowerShell script, and the PowerShell script is based on this. The first line, I created a variable, total target 260. 260 is the character. And I am going to create a folder called X many times, 260 times. So when I run this script, the output is going to be false. Now, if I go to that particular path, the file is not there. Check this out. Now, if I change my total target to the following number, 234. Now, I did 234 because the path also includes C:\user and the name. So it also includes the location of where you're dropping this folder. That's also included with the 260 limit. So I did 234. That is the magic number. And when I ran it, it created. True. Awesome. So if we go inside that location, we see our file XXXXX. Now I'm going to show you guys how to get this registry created. Pretty simple. So we're going to go back in time, and I'm going to show you guys what I did on that last video. So on the desktop, we're going to right click on the start menu, and we're going to click on run. We're going to type in regedit. We're going to click on OK, and you're going to get the user account control. So click yes here. Now the path that we need to get into would be the following: HKey local machine, system, current control set, control, file system. We're going to hit enter, and it takes you here. Now, the particular registry key is called long paths enable, which is already here. Now, if you don't have it, I'm going to show you guys how to create it, so don't freak out. Now, this is the one that we need to make modifications on. So we are going to double click on it, and the value by default is set to 0, and we're going to change it to 1, and then we are going to click OK. And you're going to reboot your machine and then test it out. Now, if you don't have this particular registry key, it's pretty simple. We're going to select the folder called File System, and we're going to right click on it, and we're going to go to New, and we're going to select dword 32-bit value, and then just give it the name of long paths enabled. All together, capital L, capital P, capital E. Double click on it, change it to 1, restart your machine, and you should be good to go. Now, if you want to push this out to your 9-to-5 job as a group policy, we're going to open up your group policy management console. Here it goes. I like to start within the group policy objects folder. So I'm going to right click on that, and I'm going to select new. I'm going to give it a name, pretty self-explanatory. We're going to click OK. Select our new GPO. We're going to right click on it, and we're going to click on edit. As you saw the name, it is going to tackle the computer section. So that's why I say computer, colon and whatever name. So we are going to go into the computer configuration. Let's double click on policies. Let's double click on administrative templates. And from here, we're going to double click on systems. And within systems, we're going to click on file system. Now, the one that we want to configure is enable Win32 long path. So select it. That is the one that we want. Let's double click on it. And all you have to do is just enable. And it gives you a nice description of what we're going to be doing beyond the normal 260 character limit. I don't know why you would want this, but hey, this is it. But again, there are some, caveats with this. And hopefully you guys stay tuned, watch the demo. You're going to see once I do 280, it allows me to create something with 280 characters, but deleting it, it's a pain. It just does not delete. So we are going to click apply, and we're going to click OK, and we're going to close our group policy. And then you're going to apply it to an organizational unit. And that's it. So hopefully you guys stay tuned at the very end. Hello. I want to show you guys the demo. You're going to see that I was playing around with the numbers. I did 260, I did 270, I did 280, and it went through, but deleting it was a problem. I think the way that I deleted behind the scenes, I didn't show that within the demo. I had to run a particular PowerShell command to actually force the deletion. It was just crazy. It just didn't want to delete. It allows you to go beyond 260, which is, what the registry or the group policy does. But when it comes down to deleting it, it just causes problem. I tried to delete it. I tried renaming it, and it did not want to take. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.